Hi Cancerians, this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks that I have lined up here. Cancerians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2021, we have the Queen of Cups. Perhaps you were coming across as someone who was quite emotional, intuitive, and creative. You may have also had to deal with someone who was trying to undermine your position. Possibly there were ego clashes with this person because this person was stepping into your territory. Perhaps you should have worked together. Maybe your colleagues or your family members may have said that you should have been more accommodating. I think you were also someone who was quite sensitive to censure. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Three of Swords. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should let go rather than hold on to someone. It's quite likely that there could be a rift or a separation with someone. Even your health could be affected on account of the same. This month, you have to brace yourself because there's going to be hectic activity. You should also be mindful of your words because your words could cut like a knife. So try not to be too temperamental. Influences for this month, we have the Six of Wands. In all likelihood, you will be in the spotlight this month. I think your popularity will be on a all-time high. Certainly, you're coming across as someone who's quite well liked. Reward or recognition is also quite likely for Cancerians this month. It is your intelligence or your quick wit which will help you make advances. Everybody will also agree to your foresight. Besides, I think you're not somebody who's going to tolerate injustice. Sometimes you may also feel as though your family member, especially your dad, is partial or prejudiced. Nevertheless, this month you're going to be somebody who has to be up and about. I think you will be on your toes because of the emergency situations. I think there could be a lot of paperwork or technical work that you have to deal with. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should read between the lines. Maybe you will overlook the details, that is why work could increase. Though there will be financial gains, but you feel that your pockets aren't too deep. Maybe you're also wondering if your junior or your person who's handling your finances has been transparent. You think something is fishy. Maybe on account of this person's mistakes, you could end up losing. Maybe there could be some errors in financial transactions as well. This could perturb you a bit. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Ten of Swords. Certainly, this is the period when you will feel a lot of pressure. Maybe you could also feel a bit helpless at times. Your family problems could also be insurmountable. Maybe you feel frustrated as your instincts are being ignored. Again, excess work is also something you should be mindful of, and this could leave you overworked. At times, you may also feel that knives are being sharpened behind your back. Your loved ones may also not be happy with your ideas and plans. Maybe they think that your plans are backfiring. There will also be those times when you will wonder whether the client will cough up the dues. It would be best to rethink your moves. Maybe you should understand carefully before you go ahead with decisions. Some of the bad decisions could also come back to haunt you. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th May, we have the Four of Swords. I think the Swords energy is something which is predominant this month because we do have the Three of Swords, the Ten of Swords, and the Four of Swords. Though your intellect is going to be something which could help you reap benefits, but then at the same time, there will also be those moments when you will be a bit withdrawn or you will want to take a step back and retreat into your own space. I think you are desiring clarity also in situations. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should be tactful. Maybe you could be accused of being impolite. There could also be those work offers, but then you may be undecided. Even if there's a call for an interview, you may be wondering whether you should proceed with the same or not. While working also, I think you want more time at hand. Maybe you think that time is at a premium. Nevertheless, in this period, you will be able to complete a lot of work. What is more satisfying is that you don't have to take the help of someone whom you regard as a rival. Cancerians, you'll also be better served if you safeguard your interests. Maybe somebody could threaten to sabotage your interests, whether at work. So it would be best to keep a backup of your plans, or it would be best to Hold your tongue because this is the best way to combat envy. Again, in this month also, I'm picking up that maybe gadgets could malfunction. That is why you could be a bit hassled as well. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you will lash out at inefficient stuff. I think you're also somebody who's going to sensationalize the issues because you want everybody to be aware of the misdeeds of this particular worker. Towards 21st to 31st, maybe have the hangman. I think you want to get to the bottom of things. Like I said, maybe you think somebody is not being transparent when it comes to financial matters. Similarly, Cancerians, in the last few days also you want to uncover the truth. Also throughout the month, I think you should guard against ill health. Sometimes you may also feel as though you're the one who's making all those sacrifices. Largely in this period, you will have to prioritize. Maybe you have to adjust your schedule. Maybe work could come up all of a sudden and you have to attend to the same before everything else. It would also be advisable to take the help of other people. At times, Cancerians, you will also be in a very charitable mode. This definitely adds to your magnetism. There will be those days when you think that you're hanging by the thread, so it would be imperative to seek divine guidance. With respect to your love life, I have the card Milk Nourishments. Cancerians, you're being called upon to nourish and nurture the relationship that you're dealing with. Single Cancerians, you seem to be the center of attention. Maybe there are those admirers who are going to make small talk with you, but you're also somebody who could suffer from commitment phobia. Even relatives could play matchmaker this month, but then you may be disinclined. Maybe there are marital proposals on matrimonial sites or on dating sites. Nevertheless, you're somebody who's quite flirtatious. Sometimes, you may also think that your pockets aren't too deep. That is why you could be disinterested in any proposal. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you realize that this person is more spiritually inclined. You're also somebody who could go overboard while discussing your admirer's looks or your crush's looks. Interestingly, this is also the month when you could hear from an ex-flame. Some of you could find yourself in a situation where your ex-flame could try and reach out to you, or even you could do the same. Romancing Cancerians, I think you will go through the love messages that your lover sends. Possibly you're somebody who could have a frank discussion on the future of the relationship as you desire commitment. Maybe you don't want to be in the limbo because we have the hangman in this reading. Interestingly, many Cancerians, you could also have prophetic dreams this month. At times, you will have to comfort yourself because there'll be brief conversations. Maybe your lover is going to be away on a business trip. That is why we have the Four of Swords energy. Maybe you're going to retreat on account of that. You could also be a bit flustered because there could be opposition to your love life. Maybe somebody could want to spill the beans about your secret romance. Married Cancerians, I think you should avoid meddlesome behavior. Your words could also hurt the person concerned. Anyhow, when your spouse is in a good mood, then he will make allowances for you. But there will be those days when he could mistrust you. Cancerians, in case you're in an unhappy connection, I think your spouse could complain that you're inattentive. Even your in-laws could have issues with you. Maybe you think that whatever you do for them is never going to be good enough. Ideally, Cancerians, you should not put up with abuse of any kind. Even domestic violence could be an issue here. Sometimes, your person could also want to wash dirty linen in public, and this could distress you a bit. Incidentally, your spouse is also someone who could make financial gains. Ideally, Cancerians, you should nourish and nurture this relationship. Even take care of your health, or your spouse's health could also be a factor here. Maybe you should include milk in your diet because calcium deficiency could be an issue here for some Cancerians. To wrap up this reading, we have this final message from the universe: dwelling in the truth. I stand in the light of truth. Largely, Cancerians, you're being called upon to be honest with yourself. Maybe you should pay attention to your inner voice or your inner guidance and follow it by speaking your truth. Sometimes, it is best to be still, to disconnect, because we did have Four of Swords in your readings, as this could help you understand what is it that you desire. Basically, I think you should listen to the whispers of your soul because You're being divinely guided. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Shara with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.